A very happy day. Welcome back to Tarot Vibes. My name is Pooja Jain and I bring you January month's reading. Sorry for the delayed reading. I'm going to start with January month's sunshine wise reading. So, hope you like it and hope you had a great start for the year. A very happy new year to one and all. So, let's start with the first sunshine, Aries. So, Aries, this month brings you a lot of emotional things. So, please be expressive when it is emotional things. So, when you express emotions, your decision will go right, and might be you'd save a relationship too. Don't delay at expressing your emotions. So, this month is with emotions for you. So, emotions are running high as your other card as well. So, I would say take care of your emotions, be little practical, but this time I would suggest you to be little emotional while making decisions and be expressive. So if it is hurting, be good enough or bold enough to tell it's hurting. If it is feeling good, then tell the other person they are making you feel good, so it will help you out. So that was for Aries. And the next, this one is for Taurus. So people in Taurus, this month you need to make decisions, but might be somebody, you need somebody to guide you to make the right decision. So please take guidance from somebody, or if you have your idol, role model, guru, might be you should ask them for their guidance, so that it will help you to make a good decision. Take time to breathe out is your other card. So please have some me time, or have some time where you can think of yourself or do something for your own self. Take a break from the hurry or rush or a very hectic life, and just breathe a little. So that was for Taurus. Next card is for Gemini. So this month for Gemini, you will have loads of confusion coming up. So what I would suggest you is, if you are confused with anything, stand there, make a decision then and there. So if you're confused with A or B, make a decision with anything. Choose one, make a decision, because both are good for you. So you have to hold one and let go of one, and there is no negative result as such for the decision which you make. So just make the decision and free yourself. The end of a tough cycle approaches is your other card. So the next cycle, or there is an end of the cycle. So whatever toughness or whatever what do I say, whatever negative things are happening around you, might be that ends this month, or whatever things which is saddening you. So that was for Gemini, and this is for Cancer. So people of Cancer, this month brings a lot of decision making for you. So don't be greedy while making decisions, or don't be searching for more. So if you think this much is enough and you're just waiting one more, just for one more, then I suggest don't wait for that one more. You'll lose what you have already. So make a decision, hold on to how much you have, and cherish whatever you have, because if you have both your hands full and you're expecting for more, the chances that when you're going to hold in more, both of your hands are also getting empty. So please don't expect more or be greedy this month. Don't be greedy. Okay, bring love into this situation is the other card. So the card suggests you to be little loving, be little good when it comes to talking to people around you. So that was for Cancer. This card is for Leo. So people in Leo, this month you will be blindly stressed or worried for no reason. So there is nothing which you have to worry, and nothing will change even if you're worrying over it. So stop worrying, things will anyways happen. Don't get emotional while making decisions, or don't get emotionally stressed. So any which ways things will happen the way it has to happen, and there's nothing which is actually going to happen, but you're just stressing for yourself. So stop stressing and worrying. Your dreams need a practical plan is your other card. So if you have any dreams, then chart it down, write it down step by step, that how you're going to follow it. So practically, only if you write it down, you didn't know how your dream is going to work. So that card was for Leo. Next is for Virgo. So people born in Virgo, it's time that you will get the return of whatever you have done. So all your hard work will be paid soon. You did be little financially worried, but because your hard work is getting paid, it will also be monetarily paid. So you don't need to worry about finance this month. So whatever hard work you have put in all these days, this month is going to get the pay. So conclusions are within reach. So something is getting concluded this month. So something will end this month. So hope you have a happy ending. So that was for Virgo. The next card is for Libra. So people born in Libra, the card says this month will be ruled by you financially. So you will have a good financial source of income or financial source this month, and this month will bring you loads of things related to finance. So this is basically telling increase in your finance. Work through your fears is your other card. So whatever fears you have or whatever is scaring you, so I guess you should stop and think for a while that is it worth getting scared of it, or is it worth feeling afraid and not doing something. So if you're not confident enough, get that confident and do it. Don't be fearful and not doing the work which you actually want to do. So that was for Libra. The next card is for Scorpio. So people born in Scorpio, this month you did be ruling emotionally, financially, and any which ways you like. So this month is basically your month. Just don't get that attitude of I have everything, I'm doing everything. So if you can just keep your attitude aside and be little grounded, things will be in your court all the time. You are good enough is the other card. So if you're not trusting your own things, then I would suggest trust yourself. You're good enough to do whatever work you're thinking of. So that was for Scorpio. Next is for Sagittarius. So people born in Sagittarius, this month you did be bossing over things. You will be asked for suggesting, or you will be asked for to give opinions. So your attitude this month will be ruling, and you did be bossy this month. So everything about you is good, and your attitude is also going to be good. People are going to adore you for it. Your hard work is paying off is the other card. So whatever hard work you have done, this is the month where you will get paid off for it. So that was for Sagittarius. Next card is for Capricorns. So Capricorns, this week you have movement coming up. So might be you did be traveling. There is hard work, or there's lots of work or hard work you need to do. Get yourself organized and start working towards whatever you have to, because you will have paid back, but right now hard work is the only thing which you have to do. Believe in the impossible is the other card. So if you're thinking what you're doing is very impossible and nothing is going to happen out of it, things will happen good, and nothing is impossible for you. So that was for Capricorns. Next is for Aquarius. So people in Aquarius, your month you did be ruling travel wise. So if you're planning for any travel, or if you're planning for anything to do with traveling, so might be a family trip or a short trip or whatever. Anyways, travel is in your card. So you did be traveling or planning a good travel, and you did be ruling, or you did be telling people what to do and what not to do this month. Luck is on your side, so luckily you can get done all the things what you want. So that was for Aquarius. And the last card is for the sign Pisces. So people born in this month, January month brings you loads of love. So if you're single, you can look out for partners. So you did be finding a girlfriend or a boyfriend. If you're married, your relationship is going to be having a little of romance and love. Step out of your comfort zone is the other card. So all those singles who are still uncomfortable at telling the other one that you like or you love them, I guess this is the month where you should start, telling out your feelings, because next month is a Valentine month. So that's it for all the sunshines. So as I picked the extra card, I did be telling out this. This is just a random card. So this month overall will be very happy and a very travel kind of month for all of you. A time for healing. So I suggest you to please meditate and heal yourself, or heal yourself the way you think you should heal. So these are the cards for the month of January. Sorry for the late post, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. and a very happy new year. Hope this year brings you loads and loads of happiness, wealth, health, and a wise brain so that you can make the right decisions. And thanks for watching this video. Have a happy day.